In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external photo into Affinity. By the end, you'll know two simple, reliable ways to bring an outside image into your project and when to use each approach. First, make sure you're in Affinity with the document you want to work on open. With your canvas visible, the most direct method is to use the Place command. Head to the File menu at the top and choose Place. A file browser will open. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and click Open. Your cursor will change to indicate you're placing an image. Click once on the canvas to insert it at its native size, or click and drag to define exactly how large it should appear as you place it. After it lands, use the Move tool to reposition, resize, or rotate. You'll see transform handles around the image. Drag the corners to scale while keeping its proportions intact. If snapping is enabled, Affinity will help you align the photo to guides or other objects for a clean layout. This route is ideal when you're actively composing a page or design and want the photo to sit precisely where you need it right away. There's also a second route that's great when you want to work with the photo on its own first. Go back to the File menu and choose Open. Pick the image file and click Open again. Instead of placing it on your current canvas, Affinity will open the photo as its own document. This makes it easy to review the image at full resolution, check its dimensions, and make any adjustments independently before you incorporate it into a larger design. It keeps your main document uncluttered while you get the image ready. That's all there is to it. Use Place when you're actively building your layout and want precise control on the canvas, and use Open when you prefer to handle the photo as a standalone document first. Follow these steps, and adding external photos in Affinity will be fast, accurate, and hassle-free.